Welcome back to For the Mariners by the Mariners channel. In the high-pressure world of marine engineering, the silent destroyer known as cavitation erosion poses a constant threat to the structural integrity of propellers and centrifugal pumps. To understand this phenomenon, we must look at the relationship between fluid velocity and pressure as described by Bernoulli's principle, which states that as the speed of a moving fluid increases, its pressure must decrease. When a propeller blade rotates at high speeds or an impeller spins within a pump casing, certain areas experience a dramatic drop in local pressure. If this pressure falls below the vapor pressure of the seawater at its current temperature, the liquid literally boils at ambient temperature, creating millions of tiny vapor bubbles or cavities. These bubbles are not filled with air, but with water vapor, and they travel with the flow of water into regions of higher pressure further along the blade surface or inside the pump volute. As these vapor bubbles enter a higher pressure zone, they become unstable and suddenly collapse or implode with incredible force. This implosion happens so rapidly that the surrounding water rushes into the void created by the disappearing bubble, forming a high-velocity microjet. This microjet strikes the metal surface of the propeller or impeller with a concentrated pressure that can reach thousands of bars or tens of thousands of pounds per square inch. While a single bubble collapse is microscopic, the cumulative effect of millions of these implosions occurring every second leads to the mechanical fatigue of the metal surface. Over time, this constant bombardment literally tears small grains of metal away from the surface, creating a characteristic pitted or honeycombed appearance that looks as if the metal has been eaten away by acid. This is cavitation erosion, and it significantly reduces the hydrodynamic efficiency of the vessel while increasing noise and vibration levels. In propellers, cavitation typically occurs near the tips or the leading edges where the water velocity is highest, while in pumps, it often happens at the eye of the impeller, where the fluid is first accelerated. Beyond the physical damage, cavitation causes a loss of thrust in propellers and a drop in head and capacity in pumps, as the presence of vapor bubbles disrupts the continuous flow of liquid. To prevent this destructive process, marine designers focus on blade geometry and the use of specialized materials like nickel, aluminum, bronze, which offer high resistance to fatigue and impact. Ship engineers must also ensure that pumps are operated within their designed net positive suction head requirements to prevent the suction pressure from dropping too low. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, comment, like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Thank you.